Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create an eye-catching Facebook ad for your real estate business using Canva, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design a professional-looking Facebook ad that helps grab attention and attract potential buyers or sellers, even if you're completely new to Canva. So let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. If you don't already have one, signing up is free and only takes a minute. Once you're on the home page, click the Create a Design button near the top of the screen. In the search bar, type Facebook ad. Canva will automatically pull up the correct dimensions and templates designed specifically for Facebook ads, so you don't have to worry about sizing issues later. Now you'll see a large collection of ready-made templates. This is one of the best parts about Canva because it saves a huge amount of time. Take a moment to scroll through the options and look for a design that fits your real estate brand. Some templates are modern and minimal, while others are bold and highly visual. Choose one that matches the style you want your audience to see. For example, if you're promoting luxury properties, you might want a clean, elegant design. If you're advertising affordable family homes, a warmer and friendlier style may work better. Once you select a template, it'll open inside Canva's editor where you can fully customize it. Start by replacing the placeholder image with your own property photo. Just drag and drop your image into the design. High-quality property photos make a huge difference because they instantly help your ads stand out in someone's Facebook feed. Next, update the headline text. Keep it short, clear, and attention-grabbing. You could highlight a new listing, an open house, a special deal, or a key feature of the property. For example, luxury condo in downtown, open house this weekend, or find your dream home today. Make sure the text is easy to read and not overcrowded. Now let's customize the colors and branding. Click on different elements to change colors so they match your business branding. If you already use certain brand colors, try to keep them consistent throughout the ad. You can also upload your logo using the Uploads tab and place it somewhere clean and visible, usually near the corner of the design. Another great addition is a call to action. Something simple like book a tour, contact us today, or message for details can encourage viewers to take the next step. As you edit the design, don't be afraid to experiment. Canva makes it easy to undo changes, resize elements, or move things around until everything looks balanced. One important tip is to avoid adding too much text. Facebook ads usually perform better when the design feels clean and easy to scan quickly. Once you're happy with the final result, click the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. Choose PNG or JPG format for the best results on Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional real estate Facebook ad using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials, and leave a comment below sharing what type of real estate ads you'd like to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.